Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can create a link in Google Drive to share files or folders. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Also put likes and write comments after watching the video. Let's get started with you and me. First of all, we're going to open Google Drive. Next, you choose what you want to link to. Any file, folders, tables, and so on. When you select the file you want to link to, you click on the three dots. And then you select Access Control. And then you go to Manage that file. And you will probably have at the bottom here a restriction on who can see, for example, this file. If you click here, it's going to say Restricted. In order to change that setting, you can switch not to Restricted, but to anyone with a link. Once you select this feature, you will be able to copy the link and share it. You can also choose what the person will do with your link. As you can see, I have it selected here that the person can edit the link. But you'll probably have it set to just view by default. And as you can see, you can self-select. The person will just view your link or the folder. They'll be able to comment on it, or they'll be able to edit it, like save it for themselves, and so on. Once you've set everything up here, you can click on Copy Link. As you can see, the link has been copied. In order to send it, you go to any social networking site or messaging. I'll go to Telegram. In order to send this link in the search box, or you'll have the beginning of the link under your keyboard where you can paste it, or if it's not there, you can paste the link if you put your finger on the search bar and select Paste. You will then be able to send that link to the person. That's how you can create a link to Google Drive. Also send it to share some files or personal folders. I idea this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to put likes, also unsubscribe, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.